AI Testing Loop is our next-generation Gen AI testing product. Its goal is simple: faster test creation, no manual scripting, full automation, and easy integration into OEM platforms. AI Testing Loop delivers up to 80% reduction in testing time and cost, while achieving up to 80% test coverage accuracy. This is possible because testing is no longer script-driven. It is AI-driven, automated, and continuously learning. Part 1. Inputs and data processing. In Part 1, the system ingests multiple inputs such as documents, test specs, and Figma designs. AI automatically reads and understands OEM materials in various types of format without prior system knowledge. The data is extracted, cleaned, and normalized, then stored in two layers: the truth database as the validated source of truth, and the index for fast semantic search and change tracking. This unified data layer becomes the foundation for both TGR and TEX. Part 2. Worker Agents, TGR. Part 2 is TGR, focused on generating test cases. The chatbot is only a user interface on top of TGR, not the core engine. TGR analyzes specifications using testing policies and historical data. The orchestrator coordinates retrieval, data, generation, and evaluation agents to automatically produce structured, traceable, high-coverage test cases. This boosts productivity and allows testers to focus on review and quality improvement. Part 3. Worker Agents, TEX. Part 3 is TEX, responsible for executing test cases generated by TGR. TEX understands natural language test steps and automatically creates and runs regression scripts. The UI agent analyzes flows, the planner builds execution plans, and the execution agent runs tests on target devices. When specs change, AI adapts or reuses scripts, reducing maintenance effort, and consolidates results, logs, and evidence into a final test report. In short, AI accelerates system understanding, TGR generates test cases, and TEX executes them efficiently and adaptively. With FPT, we're making the AI testing loop to turn testing into a self-learning, continuous system built for modern OEM development.
Together, we accompany the future.